Okay, so in the last video, we have seen the final page validation, and also we have seen how to run the same tests inside the folder like smoke, regression, and ETE. In this video, I will show you how to run the same tests in multiple environments like dev, QA, and stage. Okay. Okay, so until now we were using only one URL from here, that is envconfig.ts. We were using only one URL. Okay, so as you know, this is the demo application and we have only one URL. So what I'll show you is I will copy the same URL and I'll just for dev QA stage I will use the same URL. Okay, just to show you. Okay, okay, so what I'll do, I'll just comment this line, and so here I will create an object, and in the object I will store multiple environments. Okay, okay, we will see that. So for the object I will call env url. So const env underscore url, this is the object. Okay, is equal to, so how many objects we want to create? We want to create, like, we'll create four. Dev colon, so here we will pass the dev url, so we don't have, so we'll use the same url. Then qa, sorry, then stage, then we'll say prod. Okay, so I'll copy the same url. Okay, so now we have created the object. This is done. So next what we need to do, so we need to write a line that tells that which url we need to pick. Okay, so we will create a variable called env is equal to, so process dot, this is, just remember this line, process dot env dot env. Okay, so here this process dot env, okay, so this is an object. Okay, so this process dot env, this is an object and it stores all the environment variables. Okay, so they are, so whatever I pass during the runtime, it will take that. Okay, so if I pass dev, it will take dev url. So same thing with qa stage and prod. Okay, so if I don't pass anything, so by default it will take prod url. So if I don't pass anything, by default it will take prod URL. Okay, so now in all the script, so it is referring to base URL, correct? So I don't want to change anything in the script. So here only in the base URL only I am passing this environment. Okay, so how to do that? So I'll copy the same, export const base URL. So here I will pass. So I will do that env URL, that is this one, is equal to, I will pass this as any. So this is a type. Okay, so here I'm saying, so any means don't check the type for this. Okay, so here I'm just passing this, I'm not checking any type. And here I'll pass the which env it is, env. Okay, so this one I'll pass at the runtime. Okay, so I'll just um, leave these lines in the comment section. Okay, so you can just copy the same and change your urls for dev qa, so whatever you use you can change. Okay, so the username and password remains the same, so I will not change this. Okay, so first what I have done, I have created an object and passed all the, like, it is like a key value pair, keys dev and the value dev url qa stage and prod. And here, so this is an object, project, sorry, process.env is an object and here I am passing env. So during runtime we can pass the value here. by default, if I'll not pass anything, by default it will run the tests on production environment. Okay, and here the base URL, so here I was setting this URL. So here what I'm saying is, in the base URL, so whatever URL I'm passing, you pick that. Okay. Okay, so now we'll go to terminal and we'll run the script. Okay. Okay, so to run the script in terminal, so what we have to do is, we have to do $env $env colon capital env is equal to, so I want to run in QA, so I'll enter QA, then I'll put um, semicolon. Okay, so here what I'm saying is, I'm saying that PowerShell, I'm telling the PowerShell that use this QA environment. Okay, so after this, type your command to run the script, like npx playwright test. Okay, so this all the tests, whatever inside this, whatever I have in my framework, so this all will run in this QA environment. Okay, so I don't want to run all, it will take time, so I will say tests e to e, so just run only whatever is inside this e to e. And if I want, I can say which browser and how many workers I can assign all of them after this. Okay. Okay, so I'll press enter. Save. I'll just try to give some space. env. Okay, this is correct spelling. Let me not give any space here. Okay. And if you think you're learning something from my videos, please subscribe and like my video. So the error was, I gave space. That's why it was throwing an error.